I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tables in Google Docs. To start, simply go to the Insert menu at the top of your screen. From there, hover over Table and then select the number of rows and columns you need by dragging your mouse across the grid. For example, you could choose a 3x4 table. Once you click, your new table will appear, ready for your content. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once your table is in place, you can easily customize its appearance. To resize columns, just click and drag the vertical lines separating them. If you need to combine cells, select the cells you wish to merge, right-click and choose Merge Cells. You can also modify borders by right-clicking the table, selecting Table Properties, and adjusting the color, width, or style of the lines. These options give you full control over your table's look. Now that your table is styled, it's time to add content. You can type text directly into any cell, just as you would anywhere else in your document. To add visuals, simply click inside a cell, go to the Insert menu, and select Image. You can also organize your data efficiently. For instance, you can sort rows alphabetically or numerically by selecting the rows, right-clicking, and choosing Sort Table. This helps keep your information neat and accessible. For a more polished table, consider these advanced tips. You can distribute rows or columns evenly by selecting them, right-clicking and choosing Distribute Rows or Distribute Columns. This ensures a consistent layout. If your table spans multiple pages, pin your header row to repeat on each page for continuous context. Access Table Properties for fine-tuning cell padding and vertical alignment, giving you complete control over every detail of your table's presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.